Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Yeah. Today, I've got one from Japan. This is a Tonkotsu Shoyu Ramen. Sapporo Ichiban Yokohama Shoyu Tonkotsu Ramen. It's what's on the menu today, and we're going to cook it up, and you're going to enjoy it or else. So, how's your day going? Yeah? Looking a little shifty in there. Bowl of Wawa. Drop the noodle block in. Yeah, we got 3 sachets. 1 liquid that doesn't go in at the beginning. Man, it has been hard. This is like craziness. There's just too much craziness going on lately, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, first off, it's Super Tuesday. Second off, I didn't get to go for my walk today. Why didn't I get to go for my walk today? Well, I'll share that with you. It's because all of the schools in my son's school district are closed. Why are they closed? The coronavirus. Not ecstatic about that. I mean, honestly, I live in Kenmore, Washington, and if you go down the road that way and you take a left, actually, if you just go down the road that way for about walking, you can get there in about a half an hour. You will be in Kirkland, Washington, which is the dead center, or the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak in the United States. Kenmore, or Kirkland, is where they had all the people die. So, yeah. So, his school is not down that way. His school is way that way. And it's not in Kenmore, it's in Bothell. So, it sucks. It really sucks. Because they're doing it in preparedness for the possibility of a longer closure. And not only that, there's like a school around here. There's a school around here. It's the beginning of March. They're closing their entire school until mid-April, just to be sure. And so students can do their schooling online. It's like, dude, you can't contain it. It's the flu. You can't do it. I'm sorry. It's stupid. Let's all live in fear. That'll make us safe. Yep. So, I don't know. I know Rotato's not susceptible. I don't know, though. I mean, it's not this. I mean, you know who needs to be really careful are the older folks. And with good reason, because those are the only people who are dying from it. So if you're an old person, don't go licking handrails and stay away from lots of people. But if you're not, don't go licking handrails and don't go licking people that you don't know where they've been. I guess that's kind of advice I would usually give. Don't lick people. Unless you're, you know, an item. It's the couth thing to do. But, yeah, I don't know. I'm already burned out. Let's move on to the next story item. So there's that. And then it's Super Tuesday, so 14 states vote today. And they've decided that Bernie Sanders is the worst thing in the universe because, you know, Joe Biden won one state. And what else? They still want to ban vaping. Why don't they just ban the coronavirus? That'd fix it. I'm waiting for my new phone to show up. Actually making noodles. I did a double unboxing with Miles, which was nice. Always nice to do a video with Miles. Always. It's always nice, Miles. I always appreciate you. And yeah. And so Miles is here. No school today. The weather's kind of crummy. Hopefully it'll be a little better come Thursday when I should be able to get out, unless the schools decide that it's just too dangerous to go to school for kids. I hope that is not the case. Yeah, I got my Bluetooth in my head. I often walk around with this thing in my skull. The reason being, like, I need to, notifications, and then my phone is not usually on a charger. What was that? I didn't hear anything. I saw a notification though. But I don't see anything about a package delivery. No, stop. Uh-oh, did that screw everything up? No. All of a sudden it did the, okay, Bloogle, that kind of thing. Well, it smells really good. Porky. Very porky. I like that. I'd eat that again. I'd eat the whole thing, but you know me. At least you think you do. There are things about me that'd chill you to the bone. Chill you to the bone. You'd be afraid. Oh wait, where's our... There it is. Chilling on the side of the bowl like a freakish hiding thing. I still gotta say, I just find this kind of chashu insulting. It's a sad state of affairs when you gotta resort to that kind of chashu. Alright. We'll see if this works. It looks nice. Somebody's playing music upstairs. This is real music. This is the sound of commercial 80s music. Makes you think, doesn't it? Sometimes when you're... Oh, come on. Yeah, Papa's getting grumpy. Oh, come on, piece of... For crying out loud. And this is why you won't see me entertaining those enjoyable people that are constantly talking about, dude, why do you use those things and you don't just soft boil eggs? It's so easy. It's like, those people, I just want to yeah, if you're one of those people, I just want to strangle you, knife you in the eye, because I have no luck with eggs. Eggs despise me. You just don't even understand, and I don't care what you have to say. But I do want to stab you in the eye. But and that's not very nice, I'll admit that, but, you know, I mean, come on. Not about being nice. It really isn't. Chashu! No. Yeah, that. And then... Oh, do I have to read... I gotta load this again. Some chili oil, don't get all crazy. Makes it look lovely. But the one thing that just destroys all of it is right there. I'm sorry, but I think that just looks so tacky. It's all bleached and funk, and it's just a shame. It's like, do it or don't do it. You know? If you're gonna do it right. Do it with pleasure. Make somebody go, ooh, that chashu. Anyways, let's rotate on it. Everybody likes to rotate sometimes. And here's another classic televised hit. By the way, I got this the other day. It's called 6-Star Pre-Workout Explosion. I'm sorry, but the NO explode? This sounds like really bad diarrhea. but it tastes really yummy, and it makes you. I mean, it looks like Destro from G.I. Joe. Remember Destro, the bald guy that was all shiny? Yeah. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Yeah, it's a nice bowl of noodles. Yeah. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.